What's up, guys? It's John. Today I'm going to show you guys a free alternative to Photoshop. It's actually really simple. You don't have to install anything. It's called Photopea. So just go to photopea.com. Once you get there, you can open Photoshop files. You can also create your own. I'll use a template just to show you guys. So basically has all the same stuff as Photoshop. Filters list. Got all the same controls. It doesn't have the AI stuff, obviously. Um, Maybe that'll come in the future, who knows? But you have all the same tools. It's really nice. What you can do as well is you can go click on settings, and in most browsers, you can install the app. If I could find the button. But usually you're able to install it. It's probably because I'm in a private window. And then it'll just pin to your taskbar and you could open it like a normal app. I'll show you that right now. So I just have it pinned to my taskbar. It looks like a normal app. Super simple. I love it. Hope you guys find this useful.